Hey everyone, Nick here with AVQ Design Shop, and thank you for continuing to watch. If you're brand new, make sure you take a look at the first video in this series to make sure you have everything to make a video squeeze page. Head on over to Google and search for MailChimp. Click on the Sign Up Free button to create a free account. Here you can enter your information to create your account. MailChimp will then send you an email where you have to click a link to activate your account. Once you follow the link, they will send you to a little CAPTCHA thing where you can confirm your sign up here. Once you confirm your sign up, you can then log into your MailChimp account. You will then be prompted to fill out this form. Fill this out, and when you're done, click the Save and Get Started button. Before we can start running any campaigns, we need to create a list that'll store all of our contacts. Head over to the menu and click Lists. Click Create List in the upper right hand corner. For this example, I'm going to name the list First List. The default name will be AVQ Design Shop, and also set a default reply to email. You can also set a little reminder for how they opted into your list. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can set notifications for daily summaries, one-by-one subscribe notifications, as well as notifications to let you know when someone has unsubscribed. So now that we have created a brand new list, MailChimp has created a custom form specifically for this list. So let's go ahead and click the link to customize it. So what we have here is an area where we can customize how our forms look to our subscribers. If you click this drop down here, you will see all the forms you can customize for subscriptions, unsubscriptions, updating profiles, and other bits as well. However, let's go back to our sign up form. For this list, I'm only going to require the email address and leave the first name optional. So let's delete the last name. So click the minus sign, and I guess you'll have to type in delete so that you don't make any mistakes, and click delete field. You can also add additional fields, as you can see here in the right. However, for the purpose of creating an email list, I would just keep it simple with requiring the email address. So now that we have our list available, let's head back to our website and install the MailChimp plugin. Head back to the WordPress dashboard and click the Plugins tab. Click Add New Plugin and search for MailChimp. Click Install Now for the MailChimp List Subscribe form. Click the Activate button to activate the plugin. Then you want to click the Settings under the MailChimp plugin. Once you are on this page, click the Connect button. Then you will be prompted to enter in your MailChimp username and password. So go ahead and fill it out and log in. Once it's logged you in, it'll pull the list that you created. So here's the first list that we created. If your list doesn't automatically appear, click the drop down, select your list, and click Update List. Here you can make changes to the widget that'll appear on the sidebar of your WordPress page. For me, I'm going to put Get Your Free ebook. If you decide to make any additional changes, don't forget to click the Update Settings button. And also here you can add custom stylings to the border, border color, and text color here. If you keep scrolling, there are additional list options, and for here you could select which variables you want to capture. For this list, I'm going to require the email, but leave the first name optional. The variables would depend on the form that you made back in MailChimp. So if you want to, say, add a last name, feel free to go back to the MailChimp website and add that. So now let's add the MailChimp widget to our page. Head on to the Appearance tab and select Widgets. I already have a widget up, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it and then add a new one. The widget will prompt you to see if you want to make any changes. I already created my settings on the previous page before, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So if we head back to our main page and click Refresh, we now have a lead capture system. Alright, so let's see if the widget works. I'm going here and try to enter a blank email address and click Submit. However, the MailChimp widget will not allow that because of the settings that we set up, and it will prompt them to fill in a valid email address. Once they fill in a valid email address, they will then be given a confirmation message, and then they will be sent through a series of emails that will confirm their subscription to this list. At the end of the series, they will then receive the free item or free ebook that you promised them. So now I'm going to show you how to add your ebook to the last email that they are going to receive. Head back to the MailChimp website and select your list. Under Create Forms, go to the drop-down and select the Final Welcome Email form, as you can see here. Scroll down a little bit and you should see a Edit button in the top right-hand corner. Go ahead and click the Edit button. Once again, this will allow you to edit the final email for your subscribers. So what we're going to do is create a link. And we're going to create a link to the file that we are going to upload. For this example, since we are using an ebook, I'm going to upload an ebook that I have on my desktop here. And then click Upload. You can leave these two attributes blank. However, if you want to allow them to open it in a new window, go ahead and check the box here. And then click the Insert button. As you can see here, we now have a hyperlink to the file of our ebook. Once you are done with this page, don't forget to click the Save Now button in the top right corner. Alright, and if we scroll down just a little bit, you will see a little preview of what our subscribers will see. Alright, and just to see how the MailChimp system works and all the emails that your subscribers will be getting, I would suggest that you guys enter your email and go through those steps. Thank you for continuing to watch. If you guys like this series, go ahead and click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, as I will be putting out more videos soon. Click on this video to watch the final video of this series, which will show you how to add a video to your page. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below.